Welcome. Today, we're going to discuss an essential topic in workplace safety, personal protective equipment, or PPE, and the concept of extra PPE. First, what exactly is PPE? PPE refers to any clothing, equipment, or substances designed to be worn or held by a person at work to protect them from one or more health and safety hazards. Its main purpose is to minimize your exposure to hazards that could cause injuries or illnesses in the workplace. Think of PPE as a barrier between you and the potential danger. There are many types of PPE, depending on the job and the hazards involved. Common examples include eye protection like safety glasses or goggles, hearing protection such as earplugs or earmuffs, head protection, typically a hard hat, hand protection like various types of gloves, foot protection such as safety shoes or boots, respiratory protection, including masks and respirators, body protection like coveralls or aprons, and fall protection systems like harnesses for working at heights. Using PPE effectively involves several key considerations. Proper selection, choosing the right PPE for the specific hazard. Proper fit, ensuring the PPE fits the worker correctly. Proper use, training workers on how to wear and use it correctly. Maintenance and care, keeping PPE clean and well maintained. Regular inspection, checking PPE for damage or wear before use. Now, what about extra PPE? This term generally refers to additional or supplemental PPE used when the standard equipment isn't enough or when multiple hazards are present. It can also mean having spare PPE ready. Why might you need extra PPE? Higher hazard levels, if a hazard is more intense than usual. Multiple hazards, facing several different dangers at once. Specific tasks, some jobs inherently require more protection. Emergency situations, like responding to spills or accidents. Hygiene requirements, especially in food or healthcare settings. Let's look at some examples of extra PPE in action. Double gloving, wearing two pairs of gloves for better chemical or pathogen protection. Full body suit, worn over standard coveralls for hazardous materials. Enhanced respiratory protection, like using a powered air purifying respirator, PAPR, instead of a basic mask. Additional limb protection, such as adding shin guards or knee pads. Having spare PPE, keeping extra items available if the primary PPE gets damaged or contaminated. In summary, PPE is your first line of defense against many workplace hazards. The need for standard or extra PPE should always be determined by a thorough risk assessment. Employers must provide the necessary PPE and ensure workers are properly trained on its correct use, care, and limitations. Stay safe,